Outdoor play. In this film, we shall be seeing 3 to 4-year-old children playing games together. While watching the film, please pay special attention to the following. Observe how teachers instruct and encourage the children to play. To ensure that children clearly understand oral instructions given to them, teachers themselves demonstrate the games. Note what the teachers do so that children's participation is maximized. Outdoor play. Outdoor play is essential for children's good health and development. These games promote not only growth and development in young children, but they also help promote language development. Children's listening skills improve as they have to listen to the instructions and respond appropriately. They also learn many new words related to their play, such as throwing, catching, kicking, and many others.
Children, today we will walk like animals. I will tell you different walking styles one by one. You will have to walk in that style from this line to that one, and children from that side will walk from that line to this one. These children will go first. You are going to go to that line walking like elephants. Like elephants. Come forward. You too. Pratik, come on, walk like an elephant. Very good. Taskin, come. Let's clap for them.
Elephants, now come and stand at the back. Great. Everyone's here? Okay, now that all the elephants are here, 4 camels from this side will walk up to that line. Camel! Karthik like a camel!
As the children are divided into 2 groups, they do not have to wait very long for their turn. This helps keep their interest in the game. Each child can participate in such games at their own pace.
Okay. So who's come to our side? Camels. Now let us walk to the other side like bears. Very good.
Neha, come.
Let's clap.
Come on, bears. Move to the back. Children, you know how to play knock the bottles game, right? Today we are going to play it again. But today we'll see who can knock down the most bottles in one throw. Okay? You must bend down and throw the ball. We'll see who knocks down the most bottles. Okay? Did everyone understand the instructions? Vishwajit, stand up, dear. You have to bend down and throw the ball. Stand on that line.
Throw it hard.
Here you go. Bend down and aim for the bottles. Very good. How many bottles did he knock down?
1.
Very good. Vishwajit knocked down 1 bottle, okay? Now let's see how many bottles Sufyan knocks down. Bend down, come forward, stand on this line. Bend down and throw. Great. How many bottles did Sufyan knock down?
1.
1. Everyone's knocking down just 1 bottle. Very good. Taskin, come here. Now bend down and throw the ball. Come a little forward.
Once the children understood the instructions correctly, they were more successful in the game.
Today we'll play the game of collecting the balls in a bucket. Savita teacher and I'll show you how to play the game. You have to run across, pick only 1 ball and put it into the bucket. This is Savita teacher's bucket and this one is my bucket. Watch how we play, okay? And then it will be your turn. 1, 2, 3.
This game had multiple instructions. They were slightly difficult too. Recognizing this, the teachers chose to demonstrate the game for the children.
Does everyone understand the game?
Yes.
Are you ready to play now? Let's clap for them.
Bend down some
Remember to put the ball in your own bucket, okay?
Bend down some more.
Karthik, sit down.
Sai, Sufyan. Sai, Sufyan. Sai, Sufyan. Sai,
Well done.
Sufyan.
Both of them had understood understood the instructions clearly. Each of them got just one ball at a time.
We have learned the following things from this film. Outdoor play is extremely important for the development of young children. The planned games should be fun and challenging too. The instructions to the games should be short, simple and clear. The teachers should join the children in their play.